Hello there, my name's Patrick Wieland. Welcome to my day trading channel. Are you tired of losing money? Do you just want to get rich? Well, I can't help you with any of that, but I can help you with learning more about day trading, or at least sharing my experiences over the last 2 years day trading. I got a special offer, exclusive, highly sought after membership. You can now pay $5 a month to become a Patrick Wieland YouTube channel member. And now you're probably wondering, what do I get? What could he possibly offer for $5? Remember, $5 is only 16 cents a day. You can help put food on my table for the low cost of only 16 cents a day. Please hit the join button to help save Patrick Wieland. Honestly, I'm pretty excited about this new opportunity, this new part of YouTube. YouTube is now offering channel memberships, which is very similar to Twitch. Twitch right now offers, I think it's like $5 a month, kind of very similar to what YouTube is doing. You pay $5 a month, you get custom badges, you get custom emojis, but wait, there's more. What I'm gonna offer is exclusive, member-only live streams. So if you're a member of the channel, you'll be able to join those live streams that I'll schedule ahead of time. These live streams, we'll talk about stocks that are hot, we'll talk about whatever is going on. Also, channel members will be able to submit their recent trades, and I'll go through and look at some of those trades, maybe talk about them on the live stream, give you guys some feedback. So now you have custom badges for the live streams, you get custom emojis. So you want to look cool in the live streams, definitely hit that join button, get all those little perks. But I'm giving away more. There's more. I'm also going to be giving away different products, different discounts, and also deals as we grow. I want to get brands to basically give me stuff to give to you guys. Also, Trade Ideas has already stepped up and they said that they're going to be giving away free monthly memberships to channel members. So if you want to become a member of the channel, you pay $5, you get all the perks, and you're also going to be entered to win free stuff every single month. And not a bad deal, not a bad deal at all. I'm trying to return value to you guys, the real deal subscribers, the guys who have been supporting me, or the ladies who have been supporting me since the beginning. Now you can really get that recognition and you can join the channel membership, the exclusive channel membership. We'll have different live streams and things that are going on during the week that are only going to be for channel members. So if you want to get in on that action, you want to have some fun, definitely hit that join button wherever it is. There's a join button somewhere here. There'll be a join button down below. Like I said, it's $5 a month, 16 cents a day to support the channel, to get some awesome perks, giveaways, the live streams, and all that fun stuff. Go ahead, hit the join button, pull out that $5 bill that you've been saving for a long time, and let's do this. Let's have some fun. I'll talk to you guys in the exclusive channel member only live streams very soon. If you don't want to pay $5, you don't want to support the channel, I'm still going to be making content every single day. But if you want to get in on the exclusive channel member only perks, you got to hit the join button. You got to pay the $5. Let's do it. Come on, people. Instead of going to Starbucks today and buying a mocha frappuccino, just hit that join button and let's have some fun. I'll talk to you guys in the live streams very soon. Tomorrow morning, Monday, I'll be live for everybody. And then we'll figure out this week when we should do the first channel member only exclusive live stream. Talk to you guys then.